Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Making Chinese Fried Rice. Let's travel for Chinese for 1 second. In my next word, I think I want to be a Chinese person because this is a special fried rice is another way of enjoying good meal. Obviously for me, I love this Chinese fried rice because it's as simple as anything you can Not because I say it's simple. Please pay attention to what we're doing here. First, you need your vegetable oil and you're going to go in with your egg. Now, what are we trying to achieve? We want to fry our egg. You guys know how Chinese people used to do it, how they used to fry their egg. That's what we're trying to achieve. Okay, now we want that scrambled egg, and here that's my scrambled egg. My Chinese people, I hope I'm making you guys proud in this recipe. Now that we have achieved our scrambled egg, we obviously have to go in with our parboiled rice. Please, if you're making this Chinese special fried rice, please make sure you use basmati rice. Okay, so now I've added my basmati rice. I'm going with my curry, and I'm also going to go in with my chopped carrots. Okay, so we are obviously going to be using our oyster sauce, and also we're going to use all the oyster sauce that we have here. I hope you're seeing what we are going to be adding in this recipe. Don't miss any of these things that I'm showing you. Now we're going to go in with our chopped onion, and also I love onion. I added some black pepper. You can go for white pepper. I add some spring onion. You guys know you can add enough spring onion. Go in with you. All the veggies you're adding is for your preference, what you feel okay with. So now we're going to stir this rice all together. Remember that when you're parboiling your rice, when you parboil it, I think you should leave it for a day before you use that particular rice. Now, this is my Chinese fried rice. Hey, this Chinese fried rice was just giving everything for Christmas. You know, adding this Chinese fried rice to your menu, it can make you to win someone's heart. You never can know. Okay, so now I'm gonna make how these Chinese people make their egg. You know, this Chinese egg crumbs is everything. I just love the way I made everything. And remember when I said Chinese special fried rice is as simple as anything, just trust me, in a few minutes you have made this delicious meal for your loved one, for your friend, your family, your husband, your sister, your brother, name it. And now I obviously want to travel to Chinese. Let me go and prove to them that yeah, Ma's Kitchen has come to tell them thank you for teaching us how to make this Chinese fried rice, because I obviously enjoyed this food. It was so nice, as yummy I can ever imagine. I love this meal. It was so good. When I mean good, I am traveling to Chinese right now. I hope you guys are ready to accept me to your country, because Ma's Kitchen is coming. Okay, thank you guys for watching. If it's your first time, please do well to subscribe. Bye.